Hi there, I'm Christine Dunbar from speechmodification.com, and this is my Smart American Accent training. In this video, we'll look at the 2 correct ways to pronounce cicada. The word cicada has second syllable stress. The K should be long and have a clear vowel. The first letter A says A, cicada. The second letter A says vowel schwa, duh, cicada. Another correct way to pronounce cicada is with an ah vowel in the stressed syllable. It sounds like ka, cicada, cicada. Have a word or a phrase you need help with? Leave a comment and we'll make a video for you. Want to sound like a native speaker? You can do it. speechmodification.com